You say you got a girl. Yeah, you want me.
Hey guys, it's Tori. So today I am doing a Starbucks inspired look and I'm super excited. So I'm going to be basing it off of the caramel macchiato drink that I really like. But it's like before you like stir it all together, so you're gonna have the caramel, the coffee, and the cream. And I wanted to have that drink with me today, so I went to Starbucks and they were out of caramel, and so I tried to get like the coconut one that I really been liking, and they were out of coconut milk, so I had to settle for a frappuccino. But yeah, I'm gonna be drinking that and watching some Stranger Things, so that might be in the background a little bit or something. I don't really know. I'm trying to like rewatch it again. I don't know, I love the show so much. Let me know if you guys like this show. But yeah, comment down below your favorite Starbucks drink, like, comment, and subscribe. And let's get started with the Starbucks inspired makeup look. Alright, so I'm going to be using the Violet Voss Holy Grail palette today. And I'm going to start with using the shade Transition for my transition shade. And this palette is so gorgeous. I absolutely love it. And I'm really excited to do this look because I did a poll on Instagram to do this look or a grape juice inspired look, just because those are some of like my favorite drinks, and this one won by a ton, so I'm very excited. I'm just going to blend this into the crease on both eyes and I'll be right back. Alright, so now that I have my transition shade, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Are You Kidding Me and a tiny bit of hashtag, just to add a bit more of like a caramely shade in there, because this is a caramel inspired look, so you need some warm tones. And this look is going to be like a pretty much a really easy self-explanatory look. I'm just doing pretty much a natural glam look, but just with like an inspiration, and I'm so excited. I really hope this look looks as I'm hoping, just because I have high expectations for myself. So, alright, now I'm gonna go in with a smaller brush. This is the Morphe E36, and it's just like a little pencil brush. And I'm gonna go in with a mixture of brownie points and a tad of teddy bear, just because teddy bear is a deeper, much more rich brown than brownie points. So I'm just going to put that on the outer corner and into the crease a little bit. And I will cut the crease for this look for the cream, like the milk, since that's pretty much what it is. So I'm just going to bring this on the outer corner and into the crease a little bit, just to deepen up and define. Alright, so I'm going to go in with the concealer. And I'm going to cut my inner crease. And I'm just going to use this little brush, like I always do. This is kind of my cut crease brush, I guess you could say. It's just from Amazon. So I'm going to start on the middle of my inner third. Sorry guys. And just slowly build up the pigment. And then afterwards I'm gonna set it with Thanks a Latte in this palette. So I'm just gonna cut my crease, set it, and then I'll be back. Alright, so now I'm going to put glitter for the caramel. So I'm using my lash glue, which is the Duo Glue. This M Princess Melting Maple Glitter. And it's more coppery than I wish, but I don't have much glitter. And then I'm going to use my Mario Badescu spray to spray my little brush to put the glitter on. So what I'm going to do is open up my glue and just put the glue like right above the cut crease, and then go in with your glitter. So it's kind of like that. I know mine's not perfect, like the line is way thicker than I was hoping, but I'm gonna try and clean it up a little bit and I'll be back for the face or lashes. Guys, so I used the Broadway Dreamy Lashes, which are probably some of my all-time favorite lashes ever. And I just want to quickly say that this glitter, I don't think I put enough glue because it keeps transferring, but hopefully like after my whole face is done it doesn't transfer as much or something. I don't really know. I'm just using the Wet n Wild Dewy Face Primer. And last time I used this, I used way too much. If you saw my last video, you could see that I used way too much. Actually, I think this video is going up first. Maybe. I don't know yet. But yeah. I'm just gonna use some of that. And then for foundation, I want to use a mixture of my Too Faced, because this is my shade, and maybe a little bit of either the Fenty or the L'Oreal Pro Glow. I'm not really sure yet. This is, I think, like my darkest foundation, and my last video I filmed, like, my foundation was way too light. So I'm gonna mix a little bit of my L'Oreal Pro Glow, and for the Too Faced foundation, I am in Pearl, and for the L'Oreal foundation, I'm in 101 or something like that. Just the lightest shade, maybe it's 201. This looks a little bit dark. Okay, so for concealer, I'm going to be using the typical everyday Tori concealers, my Fit Me and my Shape Tape. So I don't think I've ever told you guys actually what shade I'm in. For my Fit Me, I'm in 15, which is the lightest shade. I don't understand why number 10 is darker than number 15. It doesn't make any sense to me. And then in my Shape Tape, I use Fair, which is the lightest shade, unless they've came out with new shades, which I don't think they have, but I could be wrong. So yeah, I really like this foundation mixture. It looks like really good. Okay, I'm gonna blend this in, and then I will be back to powder. Alright, so I used the Stay Matte powder. Obviously, once again, I always use that. I'm sorry that I don't change up my products, guys, but once I find something I like, I just keep using it, and I don't have like the money just to go out and keep buying new stuff all the time. So now I have Fit Me powder, obviously, and I'm gonna use it to bake. And holy moly, I forgot everything that happened on the show, guys. It's been months since I watched it. So I'm going to use my damp sponge to bake my under eyes, my smile lines, and my forehead, and then slightly powder the rest of my face. Okay, so for bronzer, I'm changing it up today. I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Glam Bronze Bronzer. This thing was hecka expensive, like real expensive. It was like $16, and I'm like, okay, it's a big pan, I get it, but who needs a $16 bronzer? Apparently I do, because I decided to buy it, but like, otherwise I would have never bought a $16 bronzer. Because I only bought this because, honey, the lighting. Because Nicole Renee Cutler used to rave about it, and I used to be obsessed with her. So guys, so for blush, I use Milani Luminoso Classic. Trying to change it up a little bit so it doesn't get annoying. Put it on my cheeks and on my nose. So for my lower lash line, I'm gonna just do super duper simple. I'm gonna mix that transition in the color Bestie and just lightly put that under there. But I think that's literally all for the lower lash line. Now I'm going to go in with lower lash mascara and inner corner highlight. For my inner corner highlight, I'm gonna go in with Crystal from this palette, and then I'll be back to finish everything else. Alright, for highlight, I'm gonna go in with my Sleek Solstice palette again, because I am obsessed. It's so freaking gorgeous. Okay, found it. So I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. And this is a very blinding shade. You have like a more natural shade and then the two blinding shades and the liquidy, creamy shade or whatever. So we're just gonna go in with this. And one thing I do want to let you guys know is, like, if you put on too much of this, I noticed yesterday that you get a streak on your face if you look forward. Maybe it's just the color I used, but like if you use too much, you get a white streak, not like a dark streak, which is really weird because highlighters always leave a dark streak on my face just because I'm as pale as paper, even though I have to use my dark foundation shade right now because I have a tan from Florida, which is interesting, but you know, we're gonna go with it. So that goes there. My chin. A little bit on my upper lip. I haven't done this in a while, but with like the lips I've been wearing, I think that if I would have put on a lip highlight, it would have looked better. And then on my nose, I go ham. And since I'm doing fake freckles, I'm gonna have to blend this out anyways. So, okay, now that the highlight is done, we're gonna go in with our pencil for fake freckles. This is the Wet n Wild pencil. Quickly, I'm just gonna blend in my highlight like I always do. Okay. So I'm just gonna go in with this pencil. I've never done fake freckles, so I'm like really nervous that I don't mess this up. So if I do mess it up, I am sorry in advance, but just bear with me. I'm just gonna go in lightly. Okay, I look a little bit crazy, but I did my best to blend it in and everything, and it didn't really look that great, so I'm kind of pissed now. But you know, we're just gonna go with it. So this is pretty much the final look, except I'm gonna do a lippy. So the Naked Liquid Lipstick Undressed Gloss in Tiramisu Lip Liner. So I'm gonna do all this. I'll be back, set my face. Oh my god. And then we will be done. Okay, so this is the final look. Don't mind me, I'm really weird. Okay, so everything turned out great, except for the fake freckles. I literally look crazy from like far away, like right here. It looks okay. Up here, there's a failure. I don't recommend using an eyeliner. I need to get a brow pencil. I've been meaning to get one, but whatever. So this is the look. I really hope you guys enjoyed. My Starbucks is all gone now, so I can't have it in the ending, but you guys saw it earlier. It's good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Starbucks inspired cut crease. Look at that. Ooh, honey, she looks good. I'm happy, you know. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. My goal is by the end of the year to have 500 subscribers, so we're 200 away, and like that's kind of a lot of people to like grow by. So make sure you share my videos and let your friends know and everything too, just so we can meet that goal. And yeah, I love you all so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Guys, like, don't mind my freckles, but I think it looks good. Alright, butthole lips. Bye.
Peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. to cuddle with me. You know how I like it when you loving on me. I don't wanna die for them to miss me. Yeah. I hold back, sometimes I won't. Yeah. I feel good, sometimes I don't. Like, I finesse down Western Road. Like, say,